Welcome to Hitech Moulds. An ISO 9001-2015 certified company, we specialize in product design, development and manufacturing of all types of injection molds in agriculture, plumbing, SWR, electrical, industrial categories, etc. Our two units are located at
Vasai in Mumbai, India.
Are well equipped with modern and cutting-edge technology machinery managed by experienced and skilled manpower. That ensures timely delivery of our products after passing through stringent tests at our in-house quality control center. We are proud to have served some of the most renowned names in varied industries like Prince,
Apollo,
Astral, Kisan,
Hindware,
and many others.
Our products are exported to Gulf countries like Oman, Saudi Arabia, among many others.
We specialize in PVC, CPVC, SWR, conduit, electrofusion, underground drainage, PPR, ABS. We take pride in working with complete dedication and focus to serve our customers. Thank you for watching this video and feel free to contact us and visit our website www.hitechmoulds.com.